YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Chaz Jones, full throttle the shop. If y'all been following along, we on part 11, 12 now. So for everybody who ain't been following along, I guess I need to catch y'all up. We on this 91 328. Been working on this for a while now, trying to get her back to her former glory. And when I first got it, it was running real high. Changed a couple sensors, the ignition control, the idle air control, we changed the ignition switch because it wouldn't cut on sometimes. Changed the fuel filter, gas tank, cleaned it out. Changed the fuel pump, put some new lines on, pressure regulator, then did brake lines, master cylinder, the booster, painted and bled the calipers, the brakes, bent brake lines. Then it would, sometimes it'll move, sometimes it won't. So I adjusted the shift cable. Got all this stuff over here on the list. Now, I'm at this yoke seal. So let's get to it. Cause this is the mission. We're getting closer to the end. Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do, get you a pan up under this transmission with a drive shaft come out. Yeah, you want to mark your drive shaft. Make sure you put it right back in the same position so you don't get no wobbles. What we're gonna need, got me a nice fat green marker. We're gonna need an impact wrench. Gonna need something nice like this nice screwdriver. After we get the bolts out, you gotta pop it out. Gonna need one of these to get the yoke seal out. Now, the yoke seal, the reason we are changing it is because it was leaking real heavy. And I had to get in here and clean it up. We don't want that problem again. So, you basically just need an 11 mil socket and some extensions, because you're going to need them extensions to get the ones on top with the swivels. Pop these off and then pop this back like bop bop. Then you're going to need you a good, I think it's a, hold on, 1.25 inch socket and an impact. Get that bolt off in there. Mark the bolt, count the teeth. You feel me? I got all this marked, so I know when I put this back in, I'm gonna put this green side down. I'm gonna get back to y'all after I take these bolts out. Pop this out. Tip 3. Tip 3.5. Okay, so my yoke seal just came right off with the impact. I can hit it with this pick tool. And I ain't had to beat it off, it just came off. Oh, this one right. But I got two on there. Oh. That's it, buddy. Whew. Ow. Fill back up. Oh, shoot. Oh man, I gotta cut it too.